Welcome to EnglishNova Channel. I need to drink water.
I need to drink water.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to do my homework.
I need to do my homework.
I need to sleep early.
I need to sleep early.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
I need to help my dad.
I need to help my dad.
I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
I need to pack my bag.
I need to pack my bag.
I need to feed the cat.
I need to feed the cat.
I need to water the plants.
I need to water the plants.
I need to practice English.
I need to practice English.
I need to study math.
I need to study math.
I need to say sorry.
I need to say sorry.
I need to wait my turn.
I need to wait my turn.
I need to cook dinner.
I need to cook dinner.
I need to go shopping.
I need to go shopping.
I need to pay the bill.
I need to pay the bill.
I need to send an email.
I need to send an email.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to relax.
I need to relax.
I need to go to the doctor.
I need to go to the doctor.
I need to travel.
I need to travel.
I need to stay calm.
I need to stay calm.
I need to finish my project.
I need to finish my project.
I need to turn off the light.
I need to turn off the light.
I need to go to bed.
I need to go to bed.